Okay, so some of these are real quick and easy. Okay, they're not bad. All right. This one, they give me another formula. Okay, don't overcomplicate it. I've seen people try to do extra formulas. Don't do extra formulas. They want me to start at 3 here, comma, and they want me to finish at 7. Okay, 155. Okay, what is the 7th term of the sequence? Okay, all right, the 7th term of the sequence. All right, so all they want me to do, they gave me a formula. Take 7, put it in for n. Okay, all right, so I got 1/5. All right, then I got parentheses 3, exponent, remember they want 7, parentheses around that exponent itself, okay, close them, okay, plus 6, 151.8, okay, moving on, list the first 5 terms of the sequence expressed by this. All right, so the first one's 2. Okay, a little complicated here. So what they want, if I put 2 in there, that's 10, okay, I should write it out, 10 minus 4 times 2. So that's 10 minus 8, which will be 2 as well. Okay? I really hope this isn't just... this is really not a great problem because I think it's going to continue to be 2. Alright, so you get A1. Alright, resolve 2. This is just going to be 2, 2, and 2. Alright, not the best problem. I would skip this. Don't worry about that. Alright, graph the given equation. Alright, the graph has a given equation. What has a hole at what coordinate? So what I would do here is I would use equal for that, menu and equal. 1, negative 13, 42. X minus 7, X minus 6. Okay? If you want to use equal for that one, that would be 1, negative 7, and 0. X minus 7, and just X. So what's eliminated there, the whole would be X equals 7. When you cross that off, that's where the hole is. Okay? 37, given the equation. Okay? All right? In the interest of time, you would use equal here. Okay, I'm just to speed up this video. I'm running out of time on the video. Okay? That would be the factors. What we'll cross off here would be X equals 9. That would be the whole. All right? Now, this is, no, it's 38 we want to change. All right? 37, okay? All right, so we know one thing you could always do, all right, this is what the answer is going to end up being. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to compare that. Anytime I give you a graph, don't overcomplicate things, okay? All right? If you think it is, type it into the calculator. You know, sometimes people make those graphing ones too hard. Just draw it. Okay? If you're getting that, what that you should do, if you go to Shift menu and you go to complex mode, try turning that to real. And that's when, once again, the Casio doesn't do a great job with that. All right? The Casio doesn't do a great job with that, so that ends up being your answer. Okay, so this is the problem that we're changing slightly. We're going to change this, okay? So it's going to be just that, okay? So if we do just that, all right? When you have that, to do the vertical asymptote, okay? The vertical asymptote is the solution of what's in the denominator. So that's going to be x equals 2. The horizontal asymptote, you take the numbers in front of that function, which are in front of x, which are both 1. Okay? 1 divided by 1 will be 1. So that will be the horizontal asymptote. Okay? All right? The end behaviors are always what these are. So 1 and 1. Okay? All right? if you go to graph that, all right, what ends up happening, if you want to see what this looks like, it's x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. All right, draw, okay? So what's going to happen, you can do a rough sketch to help you, okay? You're going to have a vertical asymptote at 2, a horizontal asymptote at 1. Graph looks like this. Okay, now we can find some of this other stuff. The zeros are easy. G solve root. I got x equals negative 3. That's the same thing over here. My y-intercept, G solve y-intercept, is y is negative 1.5. Piece of cake. Okay, now, all right, domain. Domain will be all real numbers, except x can't be 2. The range will be all real numbers. Y can't be 1. Now, the reason why I can do that and not the inequalities is because they're both on the top and the bottom. Increasing, decreasing, I think that's the last thing we have. Okay, all right, now, it's decreasing from here to here. It's decreasing the whole way. So it's decreasing from negative infinity to infinity. This is going to be none. Okay, all right. Some interpretations of that is, another way to do that is x is doing that all the way to 2, okay? And then it's decreasing the whole way. It's decreasing everywhere but 2, all right? So if you want to be technical, all right, that's one way to look at it, okay? That was the one change in there. All right, I know that's a long video. Get what you need out of this. Make sure you can use your calculator skills.